I didn't pay for it. I got it in the tray.
You guys all look so cool with your flashlights and your red lights.
Huh?
I said you guys all look silly with flashlights and your red lights. I say y'all look cool. Look like a scary mob.
Watch this. Stay right here at the end of this.
I'm good. Oh my god.
Yeah, I made the mistake of looking at that when I turned that light on the first time.
Did you taste the rainbow?
Oh yeah, I tasted everything but the rainbow.
On the way down to the floor?
I'm y'all's technician, so if y'all see if the bomb is armed.
Hey, are these
What?
translucent or whatever reflector?
No.
Where do they get those reflector bands for night games?
You want to fund it?
Fuck no. I do fund it every time I come here.
I know.
Is my man
They talked to Mike about that.
Xbox?
I just work it. I don't say where the money goes.
Here.
What was I saying? Oh, I'm the technician,
manifold
so if
popped on
y'all
the
get
Xbox?
word that they arm it, just let me know.
I'll tell you what to fix it.
It feels like it.
Hold on. So,
Jay
like
Fresh
Nashville
copy
does,
green team.
They got those little armbands, whatever. You pay like $700 for it. Make sure you get it.
And if you don't, you gotta copy that.
Exactly.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Green team is ready.
You straight, man? Okay, cool.
Y'all ready?
Gene, yeah, we're ready to go.
I can't see.
Alright,
Out of this
3,
thing.
2, 1, go!
Oh yeah,
That's an A-frame. 18 is a go.
Easy on the mic.
Yeah, he was
I'd be
just the,
fucking with him the whole time.
he was just the closest guy next to me. Yeah, I'm about to. I'm just gonna sit there and whisper to him the whole game.
Oh, shit. I'm good.
Hey, Wolf, man, your deadlights on the top of your head.
Deadlights on?
Yeah.
I looked into his deadlights.
Flashing or off?
It's flashing.
Flashing. That's all.
And now I see your glow in the dark patch.
Cool. Supposed to. I want y'all to see my
Oh, okay. Yeah, good, good, good. We got movement, we got movement. Front, front.
Of you? They're already in that thing. That's all my ammo.
Field the clear. Move it across. Building's clear. Whoa! And we got contact over there. Be advised, we've got contact from motel, contact from motel. Yeah, I just took fire from Lon John's. Took fire from Lon John's. Hit! Medic! 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 Let me just move over here for a second. Medic! 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 I'm down, I could use a medic. Right outside a motel. Medic! You got 2 dead guys here waiting for a medic. Medic! Medic and motel! Medic! Curse you, Activision, your buggy games! Game over.
I think y'all shot me.
There's a nice, lovely haze.
That was over relatively
Totally
quickly.
not me.
Yeah.
I need to...
Did you slip in there?
That was me in there, y'all
Okay.
shooting it. I was going green! Green! I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna hide.
Were you shooting at Gene?
Yeah.
I heard you yell green.
Still giving you trouble?
I just had to adjust the hops a little bit, that's all.
Yeah, poor they get the bomb this time.
Oh, we get the bomb this time, okay.